Hey foodies, it's Tally here. And today we're diving into a world of flavor you didn't even know you were missing. From secret recipes passed down for generations to dishes that will make your taste buds dance. This is your VIP ticket to the ultimate local set. Food scene? Let's go. They say the best food isn't found in fancy restaurants, it's right here, hidden in plain sight. So I'm on a mission to uncover those dishes you need to try before you die. And trust me, the last one is a total game changer. This is Maria, and she's been perfecting this dish for over 20 years. Maria, what makes your empanadas so special? It's all about the homemade spice blend. My abuela taught me this recipe. It's love and tradition in every bite. Oh my gosh, the crunch, the flavor, the spice. Maria, you've outdone yourself. This is unreal. Okay, food lovers, this next dish is not just food, it's an experience. Meet khao soi from northern Thailand, a rich coconut curry with crispy noodles on top. It's sweet, spicy, creamy. I can't even describe it. Let me show you. Y'all, how have I lived my life without this? This is bucket list worthy food. If all this talk of delicious food has you drooling, I've got a quick recipe for you. Let's make a 5-minute garlic chili noodles. That'll have you feeling like a pro chef. Ready? Garlic? Check. Chili oil? Check. Slurp-worthy noodles? Double check and voila, your instant passport to Flavor Town. Now it wouldn't be a Tally food adventure without some fun taste tests, right? Today I'm trying insert viral snack or fast food item. Is it worth the hype? Or should we pass? Let's find out. Okay. This one, total winner. But the green ketchup? Hard pass. Alright. Foodies, that's a wrap for today's adventure. Tell me, what's your favorite hidden gem or dish you think I should try next? Drop it in the comments. Hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more food-filled fun. Until next time, keep eating, keep exploring, and stay hungry. Bye.